I'm here with Sam Parker, Rolls-Royce. Sam, congratulations on your tech transfer award.
Thank you very much.
Sam, I'll be honest with you, we've gave out many tech transfer awards at EPRI for the use of preventive maintenance basis database, PMBD for short, which everyone knows. This one's a bit unique. This one's a bit special. I think you're the first vendor member to possibly win this award. So talk to us about how you use PMBD, the value you got out of it.
Yeah, I mean, we're very proud, obviously, to be the first vendor member to win. As a new design, we're always looking for OE, operational experience, and industry best practice. EPRI represents some of the very best. So to win an award for application in our new design is fantastic. With the new design, we're using preventive maintenance basis database, take the data from there, develop new design requirements for our plant, layout, sizing, maintenance requirements, which will feed in to the operational phase, meaning we can hit our high plant availability capacity targets.
Yeah, it makes perfect sense. And then this is a very unique use case, very cool use case. So roughly, talk to me about savings. How many man hours do you think you saved using our tool as opposed to developing all this from scratch? Any estimates?
Yeah, well, we have 150 designers. Each designer would have to do bottom-up analysis, maintenance strategy, would have to build the technical basis against their tasks. You guys have done it.
Yeah. So I
The
mean,
application is saving 2 hours per designer easily.
Yeah.
We can build on top of it, which streamlines the processes, not just the data.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, Sam.
Okay.